Dr. Fluff here live, Safety Harbor, welcoming one on assignment. We're gonna get a little bit of footage and we'll move forward along Main Street. This is the resort and spa right across the street from Barfly Saltwater Grill. We're gonna go right over to the corner. Hey, what's going on, man? Bar and Fly Saltwater Grill here in Safety Harbor. So let's just get a small little view. We're gonna start right off at the resort. There is Main Street and North Drive Boulevard, but I think what we're gonna do, we'll try to start off right over here. We're gonna interrupt a little bit of traffic. We do have a VIP pass, so we'll try to actually work that. Hey, how's it going? We'll work our way up towards Main Street. Let's see here, you can see the Barfly Saltwater Grill. We'll work our way all the way to the Four Corners, and then we'll actually take a left, and then we'll see exactly which additional restaurants are currently open, which ones are closed, see what's all the hustle and bustle is about. Four Corner area, getting the spot of Main Street and the Safety Harbor in the background. We don't have too much time, but we're right in the center with the VIP pass. Let's work our way down Main Street and walk our way over to the actual additional restaurants. So let's turn left here now on Main Street. And it looks like Main Street, North Bay Drive. So North Bayshore Drive. Welcome to Safety Harbor. Great dining on the sideline, which is definitely nice. It's relatively early, so not as late. We might have a sporting event up close, a number of shots. Hey, what's up? Hey, all right. So let's work our way down. We have Cold Stone Creamery. Make sure we get the camera out of the shot. And of course, this is where a number of people do stay when they're actually here. And here is the Screaming Jalapeno, in which yet another famous, very famous tacos and cantina. Hey, what's going on, everybody? How's everyone? What's going on, everyone? Are you nice? Are you enjoying yourself? Nice. Hey, enjoy. I'm sorry, Dr. Fluff. Hey, there you go. Hey, enjoy. I gotta get to work. Have a good one. All right. So right here on Main Street, here we go. So moving quite along, that's a very popular area, but let's move down. I think there is, as people are starting to come out enjoying their lunch. And that's one thing, yet another hidden gem here in the wonderful state of Florida. Here is the Brine House Restaurant and Bar. And right after that, what is this? If we can just kind of back up, can we get this right here? That is Kent and Hudson. Kent and Hudson pre-owned jewelry. But let's move right down the line. There's a famous tree that we'll probably try to get, but I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna cross coming up on your right here. Let's see if we can cross here. All right. Now it's a little busy over here. Actually, it kind of slowed down a little bit, but we'll try to go back and forth along this Main Street as traffic has slowed down a little bit. We're good to go. So there's a famous tree over there, but we'll work our way over there after. And here we have Seafood Steak and Bar. I think it's Water Oak. So the famous Water Oak here on Main Street. As you can see, a number of people have come out early to get a nice, enjoyable cocktail, lunch, craft beer, you name it. Options are definitely readily available. Haven House Eatery and Coffee House. And some famous place. Look at this. Breakfast and lunch right across the street. Established in 1981. Family owned and operated. Nolan's Pub, another popular unit as well. So let's move down the line. We have Osteria. Is it Osteria Polina? Ah, look at that. Okay. Now is the time for, what is that? Now is the time to frame for mom. But we'll work our way back. And there is a famous sandwich shop right up ahead as well. It's called The Sandwich on Main. So let's see if we can get over to that spot as well. I believe that's been there for quite some time. And that's one thing, again, with this area, a lot of history here. So if we go right here on the corner, we have here on Main and 3rd, see if we can zoom in, The Sandwich on Main. So that's perfect. A lot of side streets here. That's one thing, is when you're here on Main Street, you can't forget the actual side streets. So we'll work our way over here, Dairy Curl. We won't cross, but we'll just kind of go where all of the people are. We'll work our way down slightly. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how are you? So we'll work our, excuse me. We'll work our way down, and here is the Tides. The Tides is a seafood market and provisions as well. So even though close to about 3 o'clock, you can still come down before you beat the mad rush for the evening dinners and delights. Hello there, how are you? Now here, a famous ice cream spot. Ah, look at that. So when you come here, you definitely have to stop here. Look at that. All right, now, if you take a look at this, you stop in here before you beat the mad rush. And of course, a number of different ice cream delights. Hey, how are you? Now, one of the favorites here that I would look for is the pecan caramel patties. That's definitely quite scrumptious indeed, and it's very refreshing. We have the peanut butter cups, which is a fan delight, and of course, fancy pretzels. Arguably, one of the favorites is the Strahan. Look at the Strahan banana split. Scrumptious right here on Main Street. Enjoy. All right, and that's Strahan. They said the C is silent. So Strahan, homemade ice cream, desserts, fudge, chocolates, and more. So plenty of delights. Brian's Barbershops, been here for quite some time. Old school flavor, great haircut. But let's move down the line as there is, and again, this is the early crowd. So I'm not seeing a lot of people. So that's definitely a good thing, because if you come here during the evening, it's going to be elbow to elbow. And you want to come down here and get yourself something relatively quickly, right? Now, granted, the vibe here is always a groovy one. Never had any complaints here in Safety Harbor, here on Main Street. Very festive during the holidays as well. Hey, slow down there, buddy. We try to keep it around 15 miles per hour, give or take. But, and this is what I was mentioning about the side streets, as there's always a number of different businesses that are along the side as well. And it looks like Safety Harbor's market on Main, Sunday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So you can actually come here and, of course, enjoy a nice market. But let's move down the line. We'll continue. We'll try to go probably as far as the railroad, but we'll see based on, how hot it gets. All right, now we are here at, it looks like, I believe we were here already at Paradise Restaurant, where I believe it was a cheese type of apparatus that had flames on it as well. It was quite scrumptious. Not open as of yet. It looks like it opens up at 3, so I believe it should be opening up soon, if not already. Now, again, I mentioned there's a number of side streets. And here we have a little bit of an old school style. Here we have, oh, look at that. A Bassano Cheesecake Cafe. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. Cafe Vina Tinto. So we'll continue to move down. Dazzled Boutique, where the vibe here is definitely nice as well. Look at that. So this is where you can do your shopping. You know, a lot of people, they come into Safety Harbor, they just kind of relax. But when you work your way down, you'll be able to see a number of different shops. I believe they have something for everyone.